this is great. I did a really hard leg workout today, and oh my God, I feel good. I'm running. Gonna jog about a mile, maybe a mile and a half. We'll see how far she can go. But it is amazing. I thought I would be dead. Oh, Gordy's tired, and I actually have more energy. So lift. I'm telling you, lift weights. Gordy, come on, you gotta stay with me. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna have to control her. All right. 3 months ago, I was using a walker. I could not even walk. I went to physical therapy, Chandler Physical Therapy. They got me doing the right exercises, got me foam rolling, taught me how to strengthen my glutes, and so much better. Okay, here we go. Light jog. Come on. Light jog.